WSW is a high-tech enterprise integrating bearing research and development, manufacturing and sales. With more than 20 years of history and 60 invention patents, we are certified by Lloyd's Register and other domestic and international authorities. WSW bearing products are widely used in metallurgy, mining, petroleum, machinery, railroad, cement, wind power, engineering machinery, and other industry. Cooperating with major brands, our products are exported to more than 20 countries and regions, such as the United States, Germany, Sweden, Italy, Romania, Colombia, Pakistan, and so on. Our factory is well received by domestic and foreign customers. In line with the business philosophy of excellent and continuous innovation, our company sincerely cooperates with you. Excellent quality, carefully crafted. Welcome to WSW Bearing.